Understanding turn of events, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating phrase, turn of events. This phrase is common in English, and understanding it can really help you in both understanding English culture and improving your language skills. Let's get started. Turn of events refers to a change in a situation or a series of events, often unexpectedly. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal life to global news. It's important to know that it's often used to describe a significant change, which can be either positive or negative. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. The game had an unexpected turn of events when the underdog team scored a winning goal. The sudden rain was an unfortunate turn of events for the outdoor wedding. These examples show how the phrase can be used to describe different situations where something unexpected occurs. Now, let's learn how to use this phrase in your conversations. You can use turn of events to express surprise, disappointment, or excitement about a change in a situation. For example, what a turn of events! I never expected to get the job after that interview. Remember, the tone of your voice can also help convey whether you see the turn of events as positive or negative. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Twist of fate, change of fortune, unexpected development. These phrases can be used interchangeably depending on the context. And that's a wrap on turn of events. We hope this video has helped clarify this interesting phrase and its usage in English. Don't forget to practice using it in your conversations. See you in the next video.